do I ever get stuck in my research? I mean, if you're not stuck in your research, if your research is sort of like flowing and you can just keep proving what you're doing, then you're probably not working on things that are hard enough. So yeah, it happens all the time. Like there's periods of like weeks, months, years that you can be stuck on one given problem and you can thinking about that problem and how to approach it in different ways. Essentially, mathematics is so highly technical and so hyper specialized nowadays that all the things that are sort of like worth proving, there are other people that have been there that have tried to prove these things, or they are thinking of very similar things. So you have very difficult problems ahead of you, and you need some clever idea on how to prove that one thing that probably many others have tried and not being able to prove. Or you need to have some very good idea that other people have not tried, that the other people have not thought of yet, some theorem that you have, you think it's true, and that you think you can prove in some way, but others have not tried, but you still have to make everything work. And things are so complex that there are so many moving parts that it's hard to just keep everything in your head all at once and see all at once how the proof is going to go. So you are stuck in the sense that you're trying to take it all in and understand all the moving parts and all the moving pieces and all the probably all the theorems that might help you, and you go and read a lot of references and other papers on that topic, or relevant topics, similar theorems that where you might find other ideas that can help you to prove your own theorem. But that is part of it, and that's sort of like part of like how we love math because of it, because you have to think a lot and you have to figure out how things work, and the more you think about it, the more sense it makes in your head, and the better picture you have, and the more tools you have at your disposal. And along the way, if you're really stuck, what you can do is just try to prove a toy theorem like that, or try to do it for a particular example and see how it works for that example. And then you can keep working and attacking and improving this little result, and I can generalize it to this other bigger result until you can prove something that is general enough, close enough to what you imagined was true, or the whole thing. And then you're done, and you polish it all and publish it in a journal, and then you start all over again.